Hey folks, Jonathan. We hadn't done a machine in the shop here in a while, so I figured I would go ahead and do one. This is a Chicago 25-ton 6-foot press brake. It'll do 16 gauge at 6 foot. So I've done some 1/8 with it and stuff. I mean, no problems at all, but narrower of course. But not sure what year this machine is. I've got some, look like about 4-foot dies in it now, but I have got a load of stuff with this, and this was another save that come out of a factory in Sanford, North Carolina, and it was actually a junk man that I got it from, and we of course painted the front of it because there was no paint on it and there was some rust on it, but we haven't done the sides yet, but we will get them eventually. But here's the tag for it. It's a model 265 and Dryson Crump Manufacturing in Chicago. Really good machine. It was set up to, of course, pass OSHA. When I got it, it had the hand buttons on it, but there were some electrical problems in the box, and I completely done away with it and hooked it up to an air pedal, and that's how I use it. You know, it's not in production anymore. I mean, I don't do any production work. This was the same company that I had got my bandsaw from, and they actually made air conditioning heating units. And I bought this machine. I gave $600 for it, and sounds high for scrap, but most of this machine is either 1 inch, 1.5 inches, and some of it, like that entire bottom plate, is 2 inch thick. And then I got enough dies on a rack that I couldn't even pick them up with my skid steer. It lifted the back of my skid steer up. So got plenty with it, and I mean, there was plenty of weight to make up the $600 at the time. Of course, scrap's way down now, so, but I was glad to get it and save it. And this is a machine I probably, well, I thought I probably would never be able to own. I always wanted one, and you know, finally ended up with one. This one's got a 3 horsepower 3-phase 220 motor, and it's of course reversible, but it's a mechanical. It don't run off hydraulics. It's got a gear set up inside, and it's got a clutch. When you hit the air to it, it engages the clutch and brings it down, and it I like the way it works. I mean, you know, it's actually a lot faster than a hydraulic. But and I guess if you're doing production, that would matter. It don't matter to me, but really good machine. Built heavy. It's fun to move. You know, rolled it back here on pieces of pipe, and kind of a pain to do, but well worth it. And before I got this, I had to pay to get all my sheet metal bent for my record beds and stuff. So, you know, I can do it now myself, so it'll save me some money in the long run, and you know, the convenience of having it's nice. But and I think it's maybe 1950s, 1960s. You know, my guess. I'm not for sure, but anyway, this is another one. I've got more to show you, but and it's like I said, they're all hooked up, powered up, and working. I mean, it's a working hobby shop, so. But show you more later. Thank you.